This is Bones. Bones is a 1-year-old spayed domestic shorthair. She was brought to the Humane Society because another pet in her previous home wasn't very fond of her. She is litter box trained, good with cats, good with dogs, and good with kids. She's described as independent, friendly, and very happy. If you want to meet Bones, come down to Kitty City. Binky. Binky is a 7-year-old spayed domestic shorthair. She was brought to the Humane Society because her owners had too many pets. She is litter box trained, good with cats, dogs, best in a home, kid-free. She can be a little shy when you first meet her, but she warms up quickly. She loves belly rubs. If you want to meet Binky, come down to Kitty City. This is Cricket. Cricket is a 1-year-old neutered brown tabby. He was brought to the Humane Society because his owners moved to a home that didn't allow pets. He is litter box trained, good with cats, and good with kids. If you want to meet Cricket, come down to Kitty City. This is Bubba. Bubba is a 2-year-old neutered domestic medium hair. He was brought to the Humane Society because his owners could not care for him anymore. He is litter box trained, great with cats, dogs, and kids. He loves to be groomed and he is very playful. If you want to meet Bubba, come down to Kitty City. This is Spike. Spike is a 10-year-old spayed Persian. She was brought to the Humane Society because her owners had too many pets. She's a favorite here at the Humane Society. She is litter box trained, good with cats, good with kids. She's loving and very affectionate. If you want to meet Spike, come down to Kitty City.